Ma. I know. Mawuthi ubheke icela ubongele ngiyabonga mfethu. Do you know any gun laws? Sharp ngama gun laws.
Yes.
Do you have your competence?
Yes, I do have.
Did you like go for training, yogo dubula and all that?
Yes, I do.
Is that the reason why umkhotsi akubiza ngo John Wick ngoba shy spam?
I don't know.
Maruzulu to Brown uthi John Wick.
I heard that, yes.
John Wick wena.
I'm Vusi Matala.
Mara uyashaya vele mfo.
Ngiyenzani?
Uyashaya. Like yanemba ke mawudubula kwa.
No.
Oh, double. Okay. Now what I'm asking because amamelodi bayakusaba mfethu. Kuneruma lokuthi ayawinsizwa udlala. Why do you think bakusaba kangaka wenzani lengaka?
Mina ngazi ukuthi bangisaba ngizwa ngawe.
Angizwa ngabantu namfethu ngiyayisinte ikhona ora yikho ngokwazi kwakho. Yaqala ukuyizwa. What would be a reason yokuthi uhambe nge-security engaka at some stages? Is it because unama enemies or khona abantu oxabene nabo or you were involved in some businesses that put you at risk?
First of all, is because of business to advertise your business. That they need to say it to operate kanjani.
Okay.
That is the main yeah.
What is your educational level?
Metric.
Metric only.
Yes.
So if ngabuyele kasi Hotman, you advise intwana ezifuna ukuba uwe because yabo uyakhinda bra wami idlupho yalihlaba awudlali mshana malume indwangu yashaya strong. But that inspires a lot of kids. Ukuthi Hotman igcoka kahle and all that and is successful. What would I advise them or how would you advise them to become you ukuthi uqale phi so uzithola so successful kangaka? What did you do from metric to be so successful in business?
I wouldn't say I'm successful.
To your level or?
Yes.
Does it mean you haven't reached the goal of reach out? Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
But for making more than $1 million a month, you don't regard yourself successful?
No, I don't.
Okay. But what would you, how would you advise umfana omncane ukuthi hayi kumele wenze kanje or wena wenzeni ufike kanjani la ukhona? How did you get here? And how long did it take you?
Through security business.
Security business. The business yakho ye security uqale phansi noma wayithenga ku Morgan Mawumela?
Ngiqale phansi but mengivula I did not have a Sira. So Morgan by then had a Sira. So ngivule ngaye then mengicade ukuba neSira and then ngayebuyisa kimi.
Morgan Mawumela lesikhuluma ngaye yilo obathi umshana ka we-president ANC Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa lo wephalaphala.
Yeah, basho kanjalo but akusumshana wakhe.
Abazani.
Bayazani mara akusumshana wakhe.
Have you ever been in the same room or same space where Morgan was there and General Fani were there?
Fani and Morgan?
Yeah, abazani.
I don't know. I don't think so.
You don't think so? Abazani.
Yes. I think it hangazi.
Okay. When uyamkena Fani?
No angima.
Dimpani, General Dimpani?
I know her because is CEO bengibhatalwa uye.
Okay.
CFO, I'm sorry.
CFO.
Yes.
Asibuyele kancane emuva le ndaba yakho yakwaDlamini umswati mina. So if uDlamini mele ngikuhloniphe mele ngithi inkosi Dlamini. Are you Dlamini? Is there
my grandmother
wakwaDlamini?
Yes.
So is that why uzibiza ngoDlamini now?
Angizibizi ngoDlamini. I was just acknowledging my grandmother.
The WhatsApp nje babhale Dlamini abhaleke kanjani?
It was, sometimes you just feel ukuthi yeah, ucabanga ukuthi okay, I'm eating.
No, nyakuzwa. So sorry for that. I want to establish ukuthi from Swati to Swati intwana yasekasi to Khotman lasekasi. So it was for me Khotman ukuthi angeke yenzeke into yokuthi according to ama specs afunakalayo to for one to get a tender of that magnitude. With what has been said about the company yakho ukuthi at certain stages it didn't qualify.
Certain?
At certain stages of qualifier for this tender, it didn't qualify, but you ended up getting the tender. And kasi to kasi mfethu, you know ukuthi hayi azihamba zinombori manje. Does it mean bakuhlanganisele Samuel Khotman?
Lento leyo ayikho leyo angibelieve leyo.
Should uthole content iqondile?
Yes.
But manje mase baliflega bathi khona into ezingahlangani kahle kuwe kuthini lokho?
Into nami ngizibuzana ukuthi why lento lo bangayibonanga mebayenza ama evaluation wabo.
Did you do a follow up yokubabuza ukuthi ebafethu nishaya into yami kandini niphasisile and nithe ngiya qualify?
Yeah, inama letter maningi la. Ngizowashare nani?
Abuza lezi zinto lezo. Ublame abani kulento yokuvala kwethenda lakho? Ucabanga ukubakushayeleni? Ubani okushayisayo? Grandgeld ubani wena nekwali naye? Ubani lokuhlasela kanje bra?
Mina honestly I think abanikazi bale tender they want it back.
Metropolitan le.
Yes.
Uthi wena Metropolitan le tender ilitholeka yi3.
Ngoba even now bayithumela kubo futhi as we speak.
Ibuyele back kubo.
Yes.
I-owner ubani le Metropolitan?
Ngisaba nokukhuluma igama.
Mfethu. Maybe kwenza next service. Usesime explore ngiyakutshela ke nikda nama ngikhona ukena
amanye amagama akakhulunywa.
Creature njengoba ninonke lapha eSimex uyakhona ukubona.
Ubani?
Creature.
It's impossible.
Anibonani?
Unokumbona uya ku legal visit.
Uyambona uma uya ku legal visit?
Yes, only that, yeah.
It's impossible ukuthi umbone.
Angithi mina I'm awaiting trial and then he's sentenced.
Okay.
Yes.
So yabona ukuthi nalo umnikazi wemetro mawungamveza igama lakhe angeke kwenze next ngoba angeke khona ukuthola.
That thing is easy. You can check it on Google and check the shareholding.
Cat Matlala usaba umnikazi weMetropolitan bra.
Yeah, ngiyamsaba.
Khotman. Okay. So ngocabanga kwakho mfethu njengoba this Metropolitan got it, you say they got it 3 times if not 4 times. Do you think babahlanganisele? Asikhulumele phansi.
I think he's the preferred I will say he's the preferred vendor maybe ba prefer yena ukuthi uyithole kanjani that I don't know, but into ngibona ukuthi ba prefer yena ngoba mengibheka nama amount lawa they say 360 mara yena bampatale 1.9 billion. Mara
you think ingamlalela ne?
Angifuna ukukhuluma ngomuntu lo.
Ngicaya Khotman.
Yeah.
Ngicala ukuba umuntu omsha kanje. So Khotman ubracele makadaye apartmentini yakho. Uhlale for how many days?
Okay, it's different occasions angithi. Akazange kayi1.
How?
Maybe it was 3 or 4 times, I don't remember well.
Okay.
But maybe sometimes ulale kayi 2 days, sometimes 4 days kanjalo, so akazange kayi1.
And all this time akaza lapha kwakho uvane fro or uphethe stock?
Yazi uze nefro kayi1 mara mina angazi ukuthi stock or fro mara ngizwe ngalomfana lo washonile ukuthi unomfazi lapha. That day azangayi.
The day uya wena mawuthi awukho busy uyomchecka bekabambile. Bekafasile. Bekafasanga. Bekayi1. Udla nje bahleli lapha ya.
Angithi lapha kune restaurant phansi and then bamlethela ukudla ya.
Order from your room service.
Yeah.
yonke lento ibhadala uwe
Uh,
aphinde acela imali makaqeda lapho futhi
injalo.
ayihefle out yo ayihefa khona uColonel Nkosi lo othumekayo lo othumeka kakhulu lobo mthuma ibhetri umthemba kangakanani
Angimthembi.
sorry
Angimthembi.
manje Hotman mawumgaya ikhadi nephini ukuthi ayothenga ibhetri umgaya kanjani iphini
Angithi I can control ukuthi asebenzise malini ngefoni.
oh amazes
Angimazisi ngiyazi ukuthi uzosebenzisa imali engaka and then that's it.
so wena kahle kahle uyamnika noma ubani umuntu ikhadi lakho awuna stress
Vele kunezinye izinto I can't do them myself.
I understand but wangamtransfereli mhlambe ke
Yini?
ikhadi le khadi leli momgaya lona ulithathe nini le khadi
Angisakhumbuli.
la behleli kuye so or uyeza azolithatha ahamba yothenga bese uyabuya lethe
No ngithe alande ngithe bamdropele lona beliphethe yiPA yami actually.
yeah
Ngithe iPA yami amnike ikhadi and then ayothenga and then ayenze.
uyalibuyisa kodwa yena ubuyisela kuwe or ku PA
Yeah.
okay ibike yakho uthe yini lebova ngayo mina bengiva ngeV road mfethu imasi lokho nje night special
Beku GSXR 1000.
BMW
iSuzuki ngithi.
Suzuki yeah okay so naye uyiride Nkosi
Yeah.
oh okay so nidibane emabhayikini
Wenzani?
nidibane kuphi amabhayiki noNkosi
No ngithi ngihlangane naye kuba bomsibi mara bekathanda ukuza kakhulu ngebike ya.
oh okay but uyathumeka yena ne
Angazi ukuthi uyathumeka nangithi abantu abafani sometimes omunye angamtshela into ukuthi ayenze into angayenzi.
umthumeka yi1
Ngimcela that time ukuthi angizele into le ibattery ya.
oh wavayo lanti ikhadi
Ngoba bakathanda angithi bike nama jet ski into eyi1.
yeah do you have a sister or shade na somebody or yi relative ye minister uPinky
Sister. Ubani?
Minister Pinky do you have a sister or
Oh yeah, uye lo boku director lo. Mara
awucacise nje yonke ngoba angikho mnandi kahle bo
boku boyfriend akusiya babashatana.
uyi boyfriend
Yilo mfana lo udlala ibhola lo wathi ubani? We Sundowns. Grand Kekana.
utraya no sister lakho
Yeah.
so have you met the minister through awukazi when have you met minister
Bahlukene nokuhlukana.
bahlukene
Yeah.
ubani wrong ile out or umntana kini
Anguzwa?
ubani beka wrong ile out or umntana kini obe wrong
Angazi angizingeni.
awuzingeni nonyakuza Hotman no mfethu lilonke mfethu ubhlungu ukubona umuntu omnyama wakithi ehuqa ama change ngawo mfethu it's very painful ukubona udonsa ama chain ugcoke kahle I would have wished ukuthi umuntu omnyama abe as successful as you are I hope impilo yakho mfethu iphele makuwukuthi bayakusukela bonke laba bakusukelayo sidile nabo if it happens ukuthi you get a chance mfethu ukuthi usitshele ezinye izinto eziqiniso zala abantu abasimoshela ikhanda kabuhlungu kanje the likes of lezinto eshiyo ngabo babucele we trusted babucele kakhulu makakhuluma ngesiphoyisa udlula onke labantu abababiza ngabo minister o minister Mchunu no Khashalo Shem kuyazizamela kodwa akulungi but we want you mfethu ukuthi empilweni yakho kule gasi yakho ushiyele iqiniso eliyosilungisela ikhanda ngiyakuphaphatha mfethu ukuthi izingane zakho nesibongo sakaMatlala nesodlamini ingathi ungasebenzele ekuthenini makubukwa wena kubukwe emuva kuthiwa no ekugcineni le ndoda yaliphakamela ikhanda la kubo yayolungisa yabaveza abamoshayo ukuze silungise singazitholi siyikhanda liphelele ube sharp mfethu ngiyabonga
now Dlamenis have got some roots in Swaziland.
Yes.
And you said to us your grandmother is from, is a Dlamini.
Yes.
Did they have a place in Swaziland or was she originally from there?
No, KZN.
So you don't have any relative or any association, none whatsoever with some people in Swaziland?
No, I don't have.
So when you travel to Swaziland now, what were you traveling for? What purpose?
It was I was invited to the king's birthday.
Oh, so you know the king?
And the queen mother.
Yes. But
I was invited by the queen mother.
oh, so you know the queen mother?
Yeah, but it was the birthday of the king. But I went there through.
Or through the Queen Mother?
Yes.
You were a guest of a Queen Mother?
Yes.
So this ID that has got your picture and the ID number that is similar to yours and all of that, what is the story there?
I don't have an ID for Eswatini. So that thing was fabricated so that they can deny me bail.
Yes, but in the judgment of the appeal or something, it looks like that judge didn't consider that as the grounds that must be used to deny you bail, because he says police did not produce the original ID.
Yes,
if I'm not wrong.
Yes, on the judgment they said that I've traveled to Eswatini using that fraudulent ID, but which is, we know, is impossible. You cannot pass a border with an ID. That thing is not a traveling document. So they said that. And another thing is, when I came back, unfortunately, they didn't stamp my passport. So they said I've got access to get in and out of the country undetected, because my wife's passport, my passport, and my protector's passport were not stamped. So it was the overlook of the BMA or Home Affairs, I think.
Why did you resign from Medicare?
It's because of the allegations that were surrounding me at that time. They said they didn't know by then that she's my sister. They said, hey, I gave him a contract to a slave queen. And then also there was these allegations about me, which I did not think that it will be a good image for the company. So I just thought by then, let me just resign and put someone until I clear my name.
So why didn't you also put your shares in a blind trust if you didn't want to damage the image of the company?
Yes, that's what I did. The shares, that's why I said I still hold the shares. But
no, you're saying you are not saying you have taken the shares into the blind trust.
I took the shares to a holdings company.
And in the holdings company, you are a director?
Yes.
So it's the same, doesn't help anything, because you're saying you want to save the image of the company, but you are a director of a holding company, and the holding company is the 100% shareholder of the Medicare.
Yes.
It still comes back to you and defeat the purpose of resigning.
Yes, because I was just avoiding me being the director of the company.
So do you accept that after you wanted to save the image of the company, you put your sister as a director so that you can front her? Because you didn't relinquish for business reasons. You relinquished because you want to face some challenges, and someone must be holding the fort for me while I'm still fighting. But effectively, I'm running it. I can call money on it. She can't say anything. I can tell her to do this. It's effectively you doing it. She's just a front.
Yes, I agree.
And you think it's an acceptable thing to make an African woman a front?
No, she's my sister, so it's not like I was using her. So she's family, and then it was only for the time being until I clear myself, I clear my name.
No, once you are fronting a person, you are using a person. You just agreed with me that you are fronting her. You are using her.
But she was getting salary.
Yeah, even if she's getting a salary, she's not the owner of the company. She's got no shares, no nothing. She's put there as a token. That's what you did. And in the empowerment of women, it defeats the whole purpose, because if she walks around with the image of a person who has got a tender of 360 million and therefore does not need any kind of empowerment or an assistance, because she's got all this tender to herself. But in reality, there is a man behind her who's controlling this company. Do you accept that is wrong?
Yes, I accept that is wrong.
Mr. Matala, how does the cell phone goes, your cell phone, you see this one? Yesterday I left with this honorable member to a meeting, and when we were on a podium, I left to a bathroom, and I left my phone. When I came back, she said, I was extremely shocked that you left your phone, because you go everywhere with your phone. So yours just develop food and goes to a prisoner inside here, and when you come in here, you find it in a cell. How do you explain that? How did your cell phone leave you into the cell for you to find it in the cell? NAC, you found it with NAC. You were
No.
given by NAC.
No, it's not the same cell phone.
Or it's a different cell phone.
Yes.
So it's not your cell phone.
No.
Or NAC gave you a cell phone that you can use while you are inside.
Yes, I found him inside prison. He was using the cell phone.
You didn't go with your cell phone.
No.
So when they found the cell phone, why are they saying it's your cell phone when it is NAC's cell phone?
I'm saying I got the cell phone from him, but because they found it on me, I was in possession of the cell phone.
Okay.
So I had to take accountability that they found it on me.
So what were the reasons of sending you to CIMEX? Was the cell phone?
I don't know.
But they would have explained to your lawyers, they would have explained to someone that.
Yeah, no, their reason is because they found me with a cell phone. Their reasons.
Is it a general practice that because I hear every day that prisoners are found with cell phones, with dagga, with drugs, with what? Once you are found in possession of something that is not allowed to be in prison, you are taken to CIMEX.
No, it's not. I think they will have they have their preferences, I assume.
No, but why are you not exercising your rights? You can't be put in CIMEX for holding a cell phone. It's not a requirement, as it were, that people are found with cell phones and even dangerous weapons, some of them, but they're not sent to CIMEX. What could be the actual reason why you are sent to a CIMEX? Because cell phone, I don't believe it's a real reason.
Because what happened is, if I can take you through the whole process, there's someone who came to me with that cell phone. Because, in prison, a cell phone is like a public phone. You'll find 3 people using the same cell phone. So, someone said, hey, check, they're talking about you in the media. It was that day when Mr. Mkonazi was doing that press briefing. So when I held that cell phone, that boy left. Immediately, the members of the task force of EST, they came to my cell. And then the same day, those guys from intelligence and PKTT, they came to prison. So I asked myself a question that if this thing was found in prison, how did these guys knew that I was found with a cell phone? So I thought maybe it was something which has been organized for me to be found with a cell phone.
That guy who was arrested and sentenced for killing Bozwani, what's your relationship with him? I'm forgetting his name. Keke Vusi.
Yes, I don't have a relationship with him.
You have never worked together?
Work?
Yeah?
No.
But he's also from Mamelodi.
Yes.
Mokgotsi believes that you are John Wick, and everybody else there believes you are a John Wick in Mamelodi, that you have been killing people in Mamelodi.
Yes, I heard that.
But what are you, John Wick?
No, I'm not.
Do you kill people?
No.
Have you ever been accused of murder before?
No, never.
So what effort have you taken, the same effort you have taken in saving the image of the company?
Yes.
To save your image from being called a John Wick and being called a dangerous murderer in Mamelodi? What effort have you taken?
That thing I heard it from Matlanga Commission, but I was in CIMEX. There we don't have access to anything. So there's nothing I can do at this moment. My main focus now is to fight to get myself out of this place.
No, but you're called John Wick before you came here.
No. I don't know about that.
You are not called John Wick before you came here.
No.
Now, in your detail of 14 security or personal protectors, how many are former task force members?
It's not task force, it's from the defense, it's special forces.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, I'm asking about the task force, the police task force.
Oh, task force is 1.
It's 1. And then the special forces?
I'll say maybe 8.
8.
Yeah.
Out of 14. So it's special forces, 8 plus 1 task force.
9.
That is paramilitary. It's not VIP protection to have such dangerous, the highest form of defense of the country in one unit. How much does that cost per month?
I was paying them 100,000 a month each.
Yeah. So what is your personal security detail budget per month? Because remember, it's food, it's petrol, it's convoy, it's hotels, it's all of that.
My budget is 2 million.
No, you said the security company makes 2 million. You can't budget 2 million. So the whole
Yes.
2 million, when it gets in, it
Yes.
goes to those people.
Yes, but I don't have one company.
Oh, so you source from different companies to
Yes.
maintain that lifestyle. I've got a message. You know, Jerry's mom called me and asked me that I must ask you to return her son because she believes very strongly that you kidnapped her son.
Yes.
And she cries in tears because she says she knows you. And she has given you a plate of food to her you are a child. If we were to talk to her now as she's listening, what will you say to her?
I will say that they are misleading her. And I think the people who are misleading her are the people who put me here in prison. Because I think they even went and told this same thing before the mother to Jerry's wife. So I will say she's being misled because they know very well that I'm the first person who woke up at night there, and then I was the first person who was looking for Jerry everywhere. So when they say I kidnapped her, it's because maybe of my suggestion that rather let's tell the police the truth. And then they were not comfortable with that. And I said to them, it's either we do that or we never find him, because if we don't give them a clue, then how are we going to know, how the police are they going to know where he is? So they were emphasizing that we need to save their image, his image. So me and them, we ended up not agreeing on one thing, because even myself, I was tired of looking for someone, but we must lie to the police on the other side.
Yeah, but I'm saying I'm given some limited time and I'm allocating it to you. Speak to her. Talk to Jerry's mom. She's listening to you now. She's watching you. Talk to her. Her son has been missing for so long.
Yes.
And she feels very strongly that you took her son.
Yes.
The same way they felt very strong that you took AB's wife and AB's son.
Yes.
So before you speak to AB, speak to Jerry's mom.
AB knows that. I think wherever he knows that thing he knows very well that I've never.
No, leave AB. I'm saying,
Yes.
Jerry's mom is watching. Talk to her.
I will say, Mama, you know very well me and your son. We are very, very, very close friends. We've done a lot of things together, traveled together, me and his wife and my wife. And there was nothing that I will do to harm your son. Actually, your son was like a young brother to me. So there are people who are getting between us, trying to convince you that I took your son so that you might